A warm welcome to my dear children. This is your Maths Ma'am Madhumita from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Yes, my dear children, in the before session, what we have learned? Yes, very good. Decimals, place start value and the expanded form and how to write the short form. In this session, we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction in decimals. Yes, let's see the addition and subtraction in decimal. Yes, my dear children, first we will see the addition of decimal. Before going into the addition of decimal, I want to give some procedures about the addition of decimals. First, we want to check whether the numbers are in the like decimal numbers are in the like decimals or in the unlike decimals. Yes, my dear children, what is mean by like decimals? Yes, like decimals means after the decimal point, the place value should be same in all the given decimal numbers, all the given digits or otherwise. Yes, what is meant by unlike decimals? Yes, after the decimal point, the numbers will be, place value will be different. That is called as the unlike decimal. First, we want to check whether the given digits are in the like decimals or in the unlike decimals. If it is in unlike decimal, you want to convert that into the like decimal and then we want to add or subtract. That is the easy way to do the addition of decimal. First, check here, my dear children. They are given 12.7 plus 17.32. Yes, my dear children, see here after the decimal point we are having only tens place here and we are having tens and hundreds place here. So it is in the unlike decimal. So we are going to convert that into the like decimal. How we will convert? Yes, we are going to add one zero in the hundreds place. Very simple, and afterwards we can add that as usual while doing the addition. We already know how to add now, my dear children. So we are going to add after that, changing the like decimal. Let's see, my dear children, how we solve this given addition of decimal. Find the value of 12.7 plus 17.32. Now we are going to convert the unlike decimals into like decimal. How we will convert that, my dear children? First, we will start writing the solution. So, we are going to convert into like decimals. Yes, how we are going to change that into like decimal? The 12.7 and the 15.32. We already know 17.32 is already having the two places after the decimal point. So it will be written same. Next, they are given 12.7. Yes, the 12.7 will be written as, yes, in the hundreds place, what we want to do? We want to put 0 in the hundreds place and we want to continue the given digit. Yes, my dear children, we want to fill the hundreds place with the 0 and the tens place is 7 and we want to keep the decimal point before that and we want to do the sum. Now we are going to add that. Yes, 12.70 and 17.32. Now we are going to add this, my dear children. Yes, we know how to add now, my dear children. We want to check the column whether it is in the same place. It is in the hundreds place, tens place, and the decimal point should be in the same column and the number should be also in the same column. We want to check that before adding. 0 plus 2, very good, it is 2. 7 plus 3, 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 7 after 8, 9, 10. So, you want to put the 0 here and you want to carry the 1 in the next number. Before going into the next number, we want to put the decimal point in the same column. Yes, 1 plus 2, my dear children. Very good, 3. 3 plus 7. 3 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, you want to put the 0 down and you want to put the carry 1 in the next one. So, 1 plus 1, 2. Very good. 2 plus 1, 3. So, while adding these numbers, we got the answer that answer is equal to 30.02. Yes, my dear children, while adding this number, we get the value that 30.02. Now let's see the solving problem in addition of decimals. Yes, my dear children, they given the question that Ankush purchased a book of rupees 45.50 and a notebook of rupees 26.25. How much money did Ankush spend in all? Now they are asking, he spent the book for rupees, yes, only book. He spent the book for rupees 45.50 and the notebook, we are writing, no, that is our notebook, and the notebook for rupees 26.25. Now they are asking how much he spent the money. So we are going to add both the book cost and the notebook cost. Let's see. Cost of book, how much? Rupees, it is rupees 45.50. Cost of notebook, notebook is rupees 26.25. Yes, rupees 26.25. Now my dear children, we know that in addition of decimal, the first step we want to remember is check whether it is in the like decimal or unlike decimal. Now see that, my dear children, after the decimal point we are having tens place and hundreds place. In the notebook also we are having after the decimal point tens place and hundreds place. So both the place values are same. So we want to move on to the addition. It is in the like decimals only. So we want to just add that and we want to get the answer, my dear children. Now we are going to add that, which is 45.50 and 26.25. Now add and tell me, my dear children. 0 plus 5. Very good. It is 5. 5 plus 2. Find the mind, 2 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7. So here it will be 7. You want to keep the decimal point in the same column. 5 plus 6. Yes, find the mind, 6 in the fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 will be in the down and you want to put the carry 1 in the up. 1 plus 4, 5. Very good. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. Very good. So we got the answer, that is 71.75. So Ankur spent overall money is, answer is rupees 71.75. So he spent the money for both the notebook and the book is rupees 71.75. Yes, my dear children, now let's see the subtraction of decimals. Yes, now we are going to do the subtraction. The first step, we are going to use the same procedure, which is first step, we want to check whether it is in like decimals or unlike decimal. You want to check, if you want to check the like decimal means you want to see after the decimal point. Yes, see my children, they given 48 from 76.25. Yes, we are going to subtract the 76.25 by the 48. They are telling that 48 from 76.25. So 76.25 will be in the up and 48 will be in the down, because 76 is bigger and 48 is smaller. So we want to check the decimal point. So after the decimal point we are having tens and hundreds place, but here they didn't give the decimal point. So first step, we want to convert that into the like decimal. So we will write the solution. First we are going to convert the like decimal, which is like decimal yes. First they given 76.25 and we want to check whether it is, yes, after the decimal point we are having one's tens place and the hundreds place. So we are going to do the same for the 48. Yes, my dear children. Now we wrote the like decimals there. So we are going to subtract the written like decimals. Yes, my dear children, the first step, step 1, we want to subtract the given like decimals, which is 76 16.25 and 48.00. Now we are going to subtract this, my dear children. Yes, 5 minus 0 it is 5. Very good. 2 minus 0, 2. We want to keep the decimal point in the same place. Yes, next afterwards 6 in the up and 8 in the down. 6 is smaller than the 8. So you want to get the borrow from the before number. So 7 will change as 6 and the 6 will change as 16. Yes, my dear children, now you want to keep the 8 in your mind. You want to leave the fingers to get the number 16. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we are having 8 fingers. So the answer is 8. Now 6 minus 4. 6 fingers and we want to close the 4 fingers. The remaining is 2. So you want to write the 2. We got the answer, that is 28.25. Now we are going to check your subtraction. What is mean by check your subtraction? We subtracted the like decimals. Now we got the answer. So we want to check whether it is correct or not. How we will check the subtraction, my dear children? Yes, we will do the step 2 to check the subtraction. We got one answer now, my dear children. Yes, we got the answer. So you want to add this answer with the least number of given decimals. Yes, my dear children, we want to add this number with the least number to get the highest value. If the value is same, our answer will be correct. So first we want to take the answer we have done before, which is 28.25. And which is least here, 76.25 or 48.00. Very good, it is 48.00. So we are going to add the 48.00. Yes, my dear children, now add. Now we are going to add 5 plus 0. Very good, it is 5. 2 plus 0, 2. Very good. The decimal point will be in the same column. 8 plus 8. 8. 8 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good. So 6 should be in the down and 1 will be in the carry. Yes, 1 plus 2, 3. Very good. 3 plus 4. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got the answer, that is 76.25. See there, my children, they given the question, that is 76.25. So our subtraction is correct. So if you want to check your subtraction, you want to take the answer and write that, and you want to add with the least number in the given question. Now we will see one solving problem in the subtraction of decimals. Yes, my dear children, they given the question that Raman weighs 38.50 kg and his sister Ranjana weight 16.25 kg. Find the difference of their weight. Now we are going to find the difference between the Raman and Ranjana weight. How we will find the difference? If you want to find the difference, we want to subtract. If they are asking to find the value, we want to add. Very good. Now we are going to subtract. Why? Because they asked us to find the difference. So first we will write the weight of Raman. What is the weight of Raman there? It is 38.50 kg. And what is the Ranjana's weight? 16.25 kg. Now see there, my dear children, first step for the subtraction of decimal is we want to check the given digit, whether it is in the like decimal or unlike decimal. Yes, my dear children, after the decimal point, they are having tens and hundreds place in the first one, and the Ranjana's weight, it is also tens and hundreds place. So both are in the same decimal place value. So it is only in the like decimal. So we will directly subtract the given digits. Now we are going to subtract 38.50 and 16.25. Yes, my dear children, now we are going to subtract this. 0 minus 5. Can you able to subtract the 0 minus 5? Can you able to subtract the 0 by 5? No, we can't. So, we want to get the borrow from the next number. The 5 will become 4 because we got one number from the 5 and the 0 will become 10. Now, 10 minus 5 in 10 fingers. If you close 5 fingers, we will have 5 fingers. So, the remaining is 5. 4 minus 2 in 4 fingers. If you close 2 fingers, we will have 2. So, the remaining is 2. The decimal point will be in the same column. 8 minus 6. Keep 8 fingers and close the 6 fingers. We are having 2 fingers. So, it is 2. 3 minus 1. 3 fingers, close 1. We will get 2 remaining. So, it is 2. So, the difference between the Raman and Ranjana's weight is 22.25 kilograms. So, our answer is 22.25 kilogram. It's very easy to do the subtraction of decimals, my dear children. Yes, what we have learnt in this session, my dear children? Yes, we have learnt addition and subtraction of decimals. Yes, my dear children, I hope you all like this session. We will see in the next session, my dear children. Thank you.